Hi guys, welcome back. Time to do something about this warning light. Okay, so a super easy job this one. Really nice, clever piece of design by Volvo. These two pins slide out. The longer one is on the outside, keep those in a very safe place. And then the whole headlamp assembly just comes forward. All we have to do to replace this bulb is push this little lever here down and to the side, and that there is a hook. So when that goes down and across, then comes back out, you'll notice I'm wearing a glove. You don't want to touch bulbs because the grease on your hands can cause all sorts of problems. Now if we look right at the filament there, it does appear to be a little bit bundled up in the middle. It could be that this is burned out. I don't see the blackening I would usually expect to see on that bulb, but I've got a spare, so I might as well give it a try. So just put this in a safe place just in case this isn't the problem, because of course we can always reuse that later. This is the replacement part, H7 or 477. Nice and easy to get hold of these. Anywhere that sells bulbs will be able to confirm which one you need if you're not sure. As you can see here, that little piece at the top goes into that slot. We just drop it in, clamp it back in place with the little spring clip and connect back on. Ordinarily you'd then screw the plastic clip back on, but in this particular case that's missing, which is one of the reasons why I suspected corrosion. You should see a rubber cover like that. I need to get another one of those for the top. One thing to remember when you're relocating these, there's some little pegs, and they go into these yellow guides here, so that goes into the yellow. On the other side, these two pegs here go into these two locators here. Very clever piece of design. And what that means is we can just slot it back in place. There. And put those back in. Let's see if that's done the trick. Okay, moment of truth. No messages. Happy days. Good stuff. Well, there we go. It's a nice, easy fix. A little wrinkle for you there in relation to how to get the headlamp cluster out. I hope that's been useful. If it has, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.